threats and I laugh, that's cause you ain't a threat. Don't ask how I feel about no rappers, shit they okay I guess. Incoming call, press the button, the one that say accept. He FaceTime to ask for a feature and saw the face of death. I'm on your song, your streams going up, not quite the Drake effect, but don't complain, bitch, take what you get and cut the label check. My table set, I dine on your favorite, one verse will take his breath. I probably put more niggas on pause than Cam and Mason Beth. My agent get a whole lot of calls, it's like he paid the ref. These bitches out here looking like Steph on a late contest, wide open shooting they shot. Don't even waste your breath. I been stopped fucking you thoughts.